Hello and welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we're going to search dogs in our Excel spreadsheets. How are we going to do that? Very easy. Simply, first of all, I will write my search terminology here. So what do I need to find? Dog. So I'm going to use the home section and conditional formatting there. Very simple. Let's go and click on the new rule. And in the new rule, you just need to simply go down at the very end, and in the end you find this, how to use formula to determine which cell to format. Now, I'm going to write a formula here, and the formula is going to be is equal to, okay, I'm not going to write it here. First, I have to select the right cell where I need to apply this conditional formatting. Then I go click on the new rule and do the same, select the last one, and is equal to is number. Is number is functionality we invoke, then search. After the search, we have to select what we want to search. So what we want to search here? Dog. And then comma, which cell we need to search in, that is B2, as you can see here. So I will write here B2, two parentheses closed, and if you find the dog, give it, let's say, amber color, and then OK, and then OK. You see, it found the dog in this sentence and it gave it a amber color. Now I'm going to use the format painter here, and I'm going to paint it through down till the end to all the cells. So now Excel has successfully showcased all of the cells where a dog is present. So we search the dog. Now, for your interest, what I've done is in some of the cells, I've pulled cats. So let's change the search terminology here to cat, and let's see what happens. Keep an eye on the screen. You see, it has chosen a different cell because in the different cells we had cats, which have been identified here. Now we can find any text. As a matter of fact, for example, there is a cell with new, a word new. So let me search new. How many cells have it? Three of them we found new. Similarly, I can see stay. So you write anything here and it will go and find in those cells that text. So did you find your dog? Do share your comments in the comment section and your experiences in searching your dogs. Till the time we speak again, ta-da.